trap that beginners have. They're scared of traffic lights. They're scared they're going to change. And a lot of students and adults slow down at lights. Really dangerous. Maintain good speed. You're doing great. What color's the light down there? Good. That tells me you're starting to look ahead. I'm training you to look ahead. Like they waited till the last second to come over. That could cause an accident. Keep your space. This road's like any other road. Arizona, Texas, California, Detroit. If you can keep good speed and good space, you'll be good. Even though it's 50, we're going just like 30. And some people will say, how come we're going so slow? But if you don't understand the volume of traffic, you'll go really, really, really fast. And I'm your instructor, so I'm supposed to explain it to you. Keep your space, you're losing your space cushion again. And if you slam brakes, we get rear-ended. And then if you rear-end someone, you won't be getting your digital certificate. I'm just being real with you. You got to earn it. That's like I have to earn my respect with you and my students. Good. You want to start gradually picking up? Excellent job. You're doing great. Yep. Who cares if they cut in front? It doesn't matter. See? They're just cutting in front. Doesn't matter. Just keep driving. Keep your space. And eventually, things will pick up. Good. Everything's good. Good. Stay on the gas. Get over one lane to the right. Can you give me some gas, please, to push the gas? Accelerate. Get us over. That's what I need you to learn. Just a little tap of the gas. Now you can see more, and you should be at the speed limit. And just keep driving. That little lane changing, that little bip on the gas pedal is what I need to see. Now your field of vision is better. You should be right at the speed limit, which is 50. You're right at 50. Let it eat. Proud of you. Keep eating. Keep driving. And it's my job to get you into as many real-life driving situations so you know what to do. Good instructors are kind and patient, and if you make a mistake, they show you how to improve, and they want you to get better. And we learn from mistakes. So keep it up. You're doing great. Nice job.